Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing Wild West Exodus, the Deadly 7 Posse set from War Cradle Studios. But first of all I want to say a huge thank you to War Cradle Studios for sending me the box set out for review. If you check the description box down below you'll find direct link to War Cradle Studios and Wild West Exodus, and you can actually find out more information about this absolutely fantastic game and miniature series, and have a look for yourselves there guys. So let's get on with the unboxing. So first of all, before we actually unbox and have a look at the miniatures inside, we'll take a look at the back of the box and we can see the box contents. It contains Earl Shepherd, Black Blood, Brutus, Razor Lee, Edina Venez, Alan Knox, Faraday and Kodiak. And as you can see, all the minis look absolutely fantastic. My favourite personally being H, which is Kodiak, and I think he looks really cool. It's a big brute of a mini. But let's have a look inside the box though. So the packaging for all of Wild West Exodus miniatures is really exquisite. You've got this sort of faux wood effect box with the nice sort of Wild West Exodus symbol embossed. Okay, so first of all we're going to get our stack cards. So here you can see we have Kodiak, we have Earl Shepherd, Brutus, Faraday, Alan Knox, Edina Venez, Black Blood, Razor Lee, and then we have the Deadly 7 Posse stack card as well. So also in the box set we get bases. Now the big base is going to be for Kodiak and all the smaller bases are going to be for the other miniatures. Now I'm just going to zoom in a little so we can have a look at the sprue. Okay. The one absolutely fantastic thing about Wild West Exodus miniatures are their plastic. So they go together with plastic glue really simply, and all of the parts on the sprue, if I've got it facing in the right way, you'll see are alphabetically and numerically numbered. So what that enables you to do is to just literally copy the alphabet number and then clip out all the parts, and then you've got all the parts for each individual mini. And as you can see, the detail on some of these components, like on Kodiak's torso there, you can see that fur texture on his jacket looking fantastic. And I love Brutus the dog there, really cool. Okay, what I'm going to do now guys is I'm going to put all the miniatures together and then we'll have a look at them in close detail once they've been built. Okay, so here you can see that we've got the miniatures all built, and the miniature turning round at the moment is Kodiak, which is my favourite miniature of this Deadly 7 Posse set. All the miniatures were really easy to put together guys. Now you can get the instructions to build these miniatures online and they're really well thought out, but to be honest I didn't even need to use the instructions, as you can just follow the number of the parts and put them together really simply. So I didn't even need the instructions online to build these, to be honest. The only miniature that took a little while, that maybe took 5 minutes as opposed to 1 or 2 minutes to build, was Edina. Now her arm here is the arm and the hand that attaches to the gun, and that was a tiny little bit fiddly, but nothing that you can't solve with a few minutes and a tiny little bit of patience. But other than that, as I say, very simplistic to build these miniatures. Now, as I mentioned a moment ago, I absolutely love these miniatures. It's that mixture of Wild West with a bit of steampunk thrown in for good measure. It's just such a lovely aesthetic. But I mean, let me know what you think of the miniatures in the comments field down below. Do you collect Wild West Exodus miniatures from War Cradle Studios, or are you thinking of maybe picking them up? Let me know in the comments field down below, and thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.